Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in this video, I'm going to be using my almond short soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have the link down below. I'm just going in and sizing them out, just making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. On my right hand, I did use this exact same shape, so you can kind of get a vibe for what the nail shape looks like when the full design is on it. Personally, I feel like if you have really long, lanky fingers, this shape will really complement you well. I feel like I do have long, lengthy ones, and this is... I love extra short square, I love almond, and I love my medium square, but I don't know. Almond, it just always is going to have my heart. And at first I was like not an almond girl. I was like, but give it a try if you haven't. We're using my solid nail tip glue gel in this video. And you guys know this is my ride or die. I love this product. If you haven't used it before, get it. It's available for purchase on my Amazon and it's amazing. I'm sorry, on my Etsy and it's amazing. I am thinking about bringing my products to Amazon, but we'll see. We will see how that goes, but I know you guys absolutely love this product. It just makes the whole process of applying nails so much faster and easier. You literally just scoop it out. The texture is like a putty type of texture and press it on and go. Super easy. Like if you were about to catch a flight, if you're in the car on a long trip, like you could accomplish putting on a full set in no time. It's so crazy how easy it is to use. But yeah, I'm just going in, applying it to my nails, and then this whole process, not sped up, takes me less than 5 minutes. All right, so here's what the shape looks like. I am going to go in and file down. I'm mostly filing down around the sides because we are going to go in and trim them back. You could use one of my coffin shapes, but I went in and I trimmed them back with some measured nail trimmers, and you'll see them in a later clip. But yeah, I'm mainly just going in and filing around the sides. If you do have any excess that's kind of hard to get with your file, you can go in with some cuticle nippers and nip it off instead of trying to file it down. So here's what the nails are looking like, super beautiful, and you can use this shape. I just went in with this measured cuticle cutter. I went in on number 6 dial. If you have the same one, I went in on the number 6 dial to achieve this look. And then we're just doing a gel polish coat for this video. So I went in with my sanding band and my e-file, and I sanded my nails down before applying the gel polish. It's not a necessary step, especially since my gel covers, or since my full covers are soft gel. It's just a habit for me, so you can skip or you can do it, whatever you're more comfortable with. It doesn't make a difference or really matter. I went in with this Beetles polish. I thought it was the most gorgeous shade, perfect for the fall, because you know guys, fall is right around the corner, which is so crazy to me. But I'm already starting with my October spooky season content, fall content. I love the summer, but I just love the fall. So this is like the perfect red burgundy color, and you can get a whole set of like just shades by this brand Beetles. This is the Beetles gel polish, and I love Beetles because the The bottles are super small and they're perfect if you do your own nails. If you are like a big nail artist and you do a whole bunch of nails, don't recommend them. But if you're doing your own nails, you can have a huge array of different colors with bottles that you would probably use within like a lifetime, unless they're like a solid, like a white or a black or like a color that you use pretty often. You might have to get refills of that, and then it will be worth it to invest in like a full-size bottle. But these are perfect. So you can buy packages from Beetles of like 20 different polishes in the red range, pinks, greens, blues, like they go by colors, or you can buy a mixed array of colors as well. So I definitely recommend it. Their polishes are super high quality, super thick. I don't care for their black or their white polish, but every other color is amazing. So yeah, as always, you want to do your thumbs separately, and then I did do 2 coats of gel polish. But another tip I wanted to show you guys here was I'm just going in and I'm swiping the sides of them before curing, and this just helps eliminate the bulkiness on the sides of your nails. It's something that you want to look out for when doing your nails, especially if you're doing a gel polish with soft gel full nail covers. You really want to eliminate that bulkiness and get them nice and snatched before curing. So like I said, I did 2 coats of that. Now we're going in with 1 coat of a no wipe top coat. This is a sample that I purchased from a company. I'm thinking about adding a no wipe top coat to my Etsy shop. We shall see. But yeah, I'm just going in and doing a thin coat of that. Last and final step is cuticle oil. This cuticle oil, it also was available for purchase on my Etsy, but as you guys know, it is sold out. I just recommend investing in using an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. But here's the final look. It's super cute and easy design, perfect for fall. Let me know what your favorite season is down below in the comments. I love you guys so much, and I will be sure to catch you in my next video.